What's up, folks? Nice morning update. June 24th. 36 here. Pretty important. I'll show you on the hourly. Resistance up here is at 46.48 still. I have this blocked out. This is a 62 to 67 zone. Down here I have a 08 to 03 or 01, whatever. That could be a little bit shortened. Prime target is pretty much 04. That's going to be huge support. We break that, and then we'll get back down into the 54.50 area. But might stop at 66 or 67, But my guess is we get back down into here, into this traffic down here. Because then we have all of this traffic down here. So we will see. But again, until it breaks above that, breaks below that, I think we're ping-ponging. Quite the coil. OPEX kind of a bummer yesterday, or Friday, excuse me. That's typically the way it is. Has been. So you had a consolidation holiday, or Thursday, then Wednesday. No, that was Wednesday. That was Thursday. That was Friday. So, you came up, blew off the top, got everybody, I think, kind of off sides. And then you closed lower. We consolidated yesterday. We are inside today by 3/4 on that 19. That 20 level is going to be substantial. So that if that breaks, definitely should see that 55.04. So here's a 55.35 is your pivot. My magic green line's at 36. So, and then your open here is 38. So that 36.38 is going to be important. They stay above it. It'll be bullish. Below it, it'll be bearish. But your S1 fires at 120 or 520, excuse me. So here's your 19. We poked below it right last night at like 9 p.m. and then didn't look back. And then you kind of double topped at 46. So that 46 level is going to be a monster too. So we need to break one of these to get moving. R1's at 51. I like that. 67 and 83. Those are okay today. 20 is substantial. That's all I'm looking at. S2's at 53 or 55.03. Perfect. So I love when these fall in line. We'll see about that 88. If that breaks, you could see the S3, but this pretty much opens the door for the 54.50 area. So again, I don't know. It's kind of where we're at. 50-day held. 50 days at 53.24. I'm not saying we get there, but monthly still a nice run up. Right, we've got, this is the last week of the month. And then here's your weekly. So we've kind of bottom, dip, So again, I don't know if this is ever going to come down. I still think that it's going to take an outside force to do it. But I try to stay emotionally agnostic. SPX, big cash gap, 02.75, 54.02.75. So 402. Support I'm looking at SPX, just in more of a macro turn. I'm not saying that we, fall 62 points, but, anything's possible. Euro bouncing off that 7 level, basically, while 6.6 hit twice, decent wicks, trying to hold up. It's up, 382 ticks now. So I will... again, watching this, 08's resistance, in my mind, this is, well, first of all, these are big moves. Second of all, at some point, we're going to have some craziness in these FX markets. So just keep an eye on that. I don't know when, but soon things are starting to cook up. NVIDIA down. The market down. 123, right? So we had to close at 126. Quite that dip on the close to 5. We're below that now. So we're below Friday's low. Oh, no, we're not. My bad. 24 is Friday's low. But interesting that everyone said that this was the market, right? NVIDIA is going up, pumping up the whole market. Well, NVIDIA is taking a 10% haircut, and indexes are still staying here at the highs. So I'm calling horseshit on that. So I think the market just wants to hear what it wants to hear. So if NVIDIA is booming, then AI is good and we're all going to go up. If NVIDIA goes down, then we just figure out something else that's a bullish area and we're going to pump it back up. Or it doesn't have anything to do with AI and we're pumping this up because of capital flows and people know something's coming in Europe and they're buying our equities. That could very well be as well. So I don't know what the story is. All I can tell you is when NVIDIA, which was supposedly the market, took a 10% haircut and the indexes did not follow, it raised some questions in my mind. So, just food for thought. Anyway, I will be around. I don't think there's any economic news today, later in the week. Stay safe, and I'll be in the room.